Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another cook with me. So in today's video we are making a Dutch baby, also known as a German pancake. It's very simple and also very delicious. Okay, so for the recipe, you're going to be needing 6 eggs, 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of milk, a pinch of salt, and about 1/4 cup of butter. So go ahead and preheat your oven to 350, and this will preheat while you prepare for your next step. So I am using my cast iron skillet and I'm putting my butter in there, and that will melt while I prepare for the next step, which is to put everything in the blender. So there's no particular order of adding in the ingredients. It's just that I like to add the liquids first at the bottom so that the flour does not stick, but you can go ahead and add them as you wish. It's all gonna be blended anyway, so you don't really need a cast iron skillet for this recipe. It can be baked in any oven safe dish that you have on hand. So about halfway through blending everything, make sure you use your spatula and you just move it all around so you can get all the flour moving so you don't have any clumps, because you really want a smooth batter. Once you're done with blending everything, your skillet should be ready, and you want to go ahead and pour the batter right in the center and it spreads evenly. And yeah, that's it. You just throw it in the oven and you bake it for 30 minutes. Once it is all done baking, you get this big puffy and fluffy thing come out, and it's so beautiful. It should be nice and golden at the top, as you can see. It does go down after you take out of the oven. It looks really puffy at first, and then I think once the air hits it, it just goes down. And then another ingredient I forgot to mention is the powdered sugar that you want to put at the top, and be very generous with it because the recipe does not call for any sugar, so it's not very sweet. So a Dutch baby or a German pancake, however you want to call it, it can be served with a variety of fruits after you put on your powdered sugar. I decided to use some strawberries, and I was trying to be very fancy and try to decorate it, but as you will see very soon, it did not work out so well, so I just ended up throwing everything in there. This recipe is so simple and it takes no time at all, The prep work is so simple because everything is thrown in the blender, but you can also use your hand to mix everything. I use the blender just to make sure that my batter was smooth. You can serve this at your next brunch. It's a perfect brunch idea, but you can also have it for breakfast, lunch, or even dinner. I ended up serving ours for lunch that day. It was enjoyed by everybody. I cannot wait to make this a staple in our home. I just love the fact that you can serve it with all kinds of fruits, berries. I had strawberries and they worked perfect. I served mine with some maple syrup. You can use any kind of syrup that you have on hand. It works perfect. I just like that it's not very sweet. It's literally the powdered sugar and the syrup that brings out the sweetness out of it, and the strawberries helped as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you will try this recipe, because believe me when I say it is good, it's good. I will see you guys in my next video, and as always, stay blessed.